How to enable haptic feedback on BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable haptic feedback. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right top, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. So I'm in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see the option called other. Simply tap on other. So here on the second option, you can see enable haptic feedback. So simply tap it on. So what does it do? It is a type of vibration in the mobile phone that you will get while using this app. So it is a type of vibration where your whole mobile will move. Here it will feel a different feature and a different type of vibration than a regular one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.